Principal Ma'am, Chairman Sir, all teachers, all parents and my dear friends. Myself, Jamila Parveen, student of class 1. Today I want to say Islamic speech. Speech that Allah made everything for us. Just look carefully at the sky. Subhanallah, how beautiful it looks. Allah made the sun, Allah made the moon, Allah made the star, Allah made everything. Allah made the land, He made the water and the sea, He made the flower, He made the tree and the fruit. Allah made the big animal, He made the small animal, He made the bird, He made the little insect. Can you make any of these things? Can anyone else make these things? No. Allah made all these things for us. He wants us to obey Him. He returned for all His favors. Subhanallah.